Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect PayPal to Gumroad. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your Gumroad account, go to your dashboard, and in the left panel, you'll have payouts. So just click on it and go ahead over to settings right here at the very top. Click, and then once done, scroll all the way down and you'll have PayPal. So what you'll do basically is just click on connect with PayPal right here. So before you can connect, make sure that you meet these requirements. Okay, your account must be marked as compliant. You must have earned at least $100 and you must have received at least one payout or successful payout. All right, so just basically click on connect with PayPal right here, log in with your PayPal account, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, there will be some rules, right? If you want to connect PayPal right here, your PayPal account must be fully verified with a linked bank or card. All right, as Gumroad's automated systems will reject the transfers if you don't have a card or bank connected to your PayPal account. I hope that's clear. And it is highly recommended to use a PayPal business account so customers see your brand name rather than your personal legal name or receipts. And PayPal payouts are only available if you reside in a country where Gumroad's direct deposit or Stripe Connect is not the mandatory primary option. And there you have it. That is how you connect PayPal to Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.